Hello everyone, so today is the 9th of Ramadan, I think, or maybe it's the 10th, I'm not sure, because right now I'm just like recording in the middle of the night. It's like almost 2 a.m. but I really wanted to make a video. I've taken a long nap, so I'm awake, even though I went to work and I went out and stuff. I still had the time to make this and I made no excuses. Okay, so what I want to talk about in this video is friendship, respect, and basically some other stuff. If I were to talk to my younger self, I would probably tell her this, and that is, you need to be picky when it comes to choosing your friends. Don't just become everybody's friend, because that's not really gonna work. Okay, so don't be a people pleaser. You don't need to have everybody like you. Not everybody has to be your friend. You need to pick and choose your friends wisely. There will be friends that you will just hang out with and you're not gonna like get too deep with them, but there are gonna be people who are gonna be your closest friends, and that's awesome, that's great. But those people should be limited. Whether we like them or not, a closer circle of friends is not only healthy, but it's also more valuable, and it's more doable to have a smaller circle than to have a large circle where they know all of your secrets or whatnot. But the main point is, you need to understand that you don't need to have a lot of friends. You need to have friends that are truly great friends. They want nothing but the best for you, and they respect you, they help you, they provide you with what you need, and they are happy for your happiness. They don't encourage you to do bad stuff. They will actually tell you, hey, you're wrong when you're doing this. You gotta make things right. Who are going to be truthful to you and who won't be afraid to tell you when you are doing something wrong. All right? So a friend is not somebody who is gonna encourage your bad behavior. That's basically not a good friend. That's just somebody who wants to see you get into trouble, right? Anyways, that's one of the things that I wanted to talk about. And the other thing is, you need to understand that you cannot control how people behave. If people are treating you in a bad way, you have to change your way of behaving with them. If they are being rude to you, you shouldn't always be nice to them. You can still be respectful, but be strict in a way. Because if you are still nice to them after they have done you so wrong, it just means that you're accepting their bad behavior and you're just accepting the fact that they're treating you bad. That means, okay, you can do whatever you want, you can still be horrible with me, but I'll still be nice to you and I'll be sweet with you. That doesn't work, okay? That doesn't make you a good person. It will just make you seem like a pushover. It just makes you feel like you don't respect yourself enough. So it needs time and it needs understanding, and sometimes you're super close with people but they just end up not being the people you assumed that they were, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. We meet people, we see their bad side, their good side, but we evaluate like the good and the bad and see which one is the best, and we see if we can live with the worst. So you just need to understand that first of all, there needs to be respect in every relationship in your life, and you can still joke and have a great time, but there needs to be respect in your closest relationship with your partner, with your family, with friends, with your colleagues at work. There needs to be a respect. Keep that in mind and don't accept disrespect. And the second thing is, we cannot control other people's behavior. We can only control our reaction to their behavior. If you don't like something, you can make a change about it. Treat people in a respectful way, but don't disrespect yourself in the process. Overall, be kind to yourself and be nice to other people, but don't let them use you for that. And the last thing I want to leave you with is that we don't have to have everybody like us. The most important thing is to be the best version of ourselves, and people may like us, they may not like us, and that's okay. So I wish all of you all the best in the world, and I hope you have a wonderful time, and I'll see you in the next video.